Okay, let's remove a watermark from a TikTok video. Grab the video that you want to do this with, click the 3 dots, that menu, then slide the save options over to live photo. This is going to save to your photo album on your phone. So once that is saved, you're going to open up your photo album, and then you can open that up and see that it's a live photo, so you can hold it down and it will play. But we want to save this as a video. So hit your save button and scroll down to save as video. We're going to click that. Now you have this as a video, but you'll notice that you have no sound. And there is a small watermark on the bottom right corner. So how we're gonna deal with that is just hit edit and crop that out just enough so that it doesn't show. Now, to get that audio on there, we want to go back to your TikTok. We'll let this download and go back to your TikTok and just make sure you have the original one saved that does actually have audio, and it's okay that this one will have a watermark. We're just going to extract the audio, and I'll show you how to do that next. We're going to use a free app called InShot. So open that up, add a new video. We're going to add the one we were just working with that we cropped. Once that's in there, you're going to click the music button on the bottom menu. We're going to extract the audio by hitting tracks. Then you're going to hit the top option, extract audio from video. This is where we're going to add the one that you just saved from TikTok that has the watermark. This is going to extract that audio on there. So just hit the check mark to save that. And all this is going to do is pull the audio off the clip. We're not saving the video. Now you can see that the audio is matched to your edited video perfectly. Now we're just gonna play it for sound. We love this question, thank you for this. Grab your image that you wanna use and then resize your image so it's the full size of your entire graphic. Now the audio and video match up, let's resize it for TikTok. Hit the canvas button and make sure you're on the TikTok one. You can see the TikTok logo, 9:16. Now we're gonna hit that one. It should resize it for us. It was already like that, so we're good. Then hit save. It's gonna save to your camera roll, and now we can upload to Instagram without the watermark. So you're just gonna make a reel like you normally would, and then just upload that video. It'll be in your album there, and you can play it just to make sure everything looks good. Now you can repurpose your TikToks for your reels. I hope you enjoyed this one.